Hello everyone, today we'll be covering arrays. I plan on breaking this up into several videos since there are many basic concepts and algorithms to cover. So a problem we might run into is if we want to have 1,000 integers and initialize them with 1,000 separate values. Maybe we are collecting survey data on the number of items bought in a retail store. Maybe we can declare and initialize 1,000 variables. This would be incredibly impractical. So how might we solve this issue? Well, this issue can be solved with arrays. An example I have here is an array being filled with random integers. Arrays are the basis of most concepts of data structures, such as graphs, histograms, images, videos, music, and basically any form of software from the simple modem to the entire internet. So what is the underlying concept of arrays in Java? So an array in Java is built up of multiple components. First, we have the variable type, which can be primitives such as booleans, ints, doubles, and others. But it can also be reference variables such as strings, scanners, buffered writers, UI components, custom classes, and many others of the many thousands of classes that Java contains. Next are the square brackets, which state how many dimensions the array is supposed to be. For now, we will only work with single-dimension arrays, but you should be able to imagine multi-dimensional arrays such as images. Next, we have the name of the array. Then we use the assignment operator to initialize it. Next, we have the new keyword. And then we use the variable type again. Finally, we have the square brackets, but this time we state the size of each dimension. Notice that declaring and initializing an array is similar in structure to scanners and other reference variables. This is because an array is a reference variable. We will cover this in more detail in future videos. An example that we are going to make is going to be a char array. And we're going to go and fill it with letters that spell out hello. So my question for you is, how many letters are there? And therefore, how big should this array be? Well, we're going to go and make an array that is going to contain 5 elements. So here, we have an array that is going to hold 5 chars. This array holds the chars that spell out hello. This is a very simple representation of actually what strings are. So how do we change one of the letters? So we first need to explain how you go and set letters. Normally how arrays work is you call the name of the array like any normal variable, but then you need to go and specify what slot you're going to be putting the letter in. Notice that in greeting array, we have the name, the slot number, which here it is 0, which is the first slot, and a character being assigned to it. Note that arrays are always numbered starting at 0 to their length minus 1. You can see here how this numbering works. So what if we want to change the E in hello to a U? What slot number do you think holds the value E? Well, you would think it is in slot 2, since you would count H, which is 1, and then E, which is 2. However, since we start from 0, not 1, the E is actually in slot 1. This syntax is in the largest programming languages such as C++, Java, PHP, and many others. As a final side note, this is all very similar to what you've learned about indexes of strings. Again, they both start at index of 0 and then go to their length minus 1. Hopefully this video helped clarify some issues with arrays. I hope to post a few more videos that explain some of the algorithms that are used when manipulating arrays. Thank you.